it's Friday, and we're happy today. Woo, it's Friday, and we're happy today. Woo!
Woo!
Good job, Miss Martha. I was just so happy. I'm so proud of these kids. I just wanted to do a little Friday song.
That's right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to our assembly.
We're going to start with our flag salute, and then we have a little surprise for you today because we just want to make you laugh today.
Yeah, why not?
But we'll start with the serious stuff, like the flag salute. So here we go.
All right, everybody, please stand and put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. Great job. Thank you, Miss Martha, for always doing a fabulous job leading us. Miss Martha.
Yes.
I spy LA Dodger gear.
Yes. Well, this side. It's kind of dark, but hopefully you can see the LA.
Why are you wearing that?
I think today's a spirit day. I forget what it is because I see that you're wearing a softball team also. So softball, baseball. It's sports day today. Woo!
It was actually on Wednesday, but for me and you, it's today.
That's right.
And did you love seeing all the kid pictures?
You know what? So many sports teams to represent, and we saw so many. Like I've got my professional Dodgers, and you're representing somebody very special.
I have a travel ball team sweatshirt on, and people may say Ohana. If you are from Hawaii, then you know that Ohana means family. And my daughter actually plays for a team called Ohana Tigers.
Wow.
But when I thought, I have Dodger gear, right? And I have like the sport, like football. I had a football jersey for USC. And then I thought, well, I've worn that. And then I thought, you know what? We have a lot of kids that play on their own teams.
They do.
Soccer teams, their own baseball teams. And so I wanted to show that representation by wearing my daughter's team's sweatshirt, because whether it's professional team or your own travel or rec team, it's a team. It's a sport.
That's right.
Right?
Very cool.
I thought I'd throw that in there. And then also, you know why? We like that it's called Ohana and then it kind of reminded me of Beardsley.
That's right.
We're a family.
We are family.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. I got all the students with me.
You may or may not know that song, guys, but maybe you can ask your parents to play the song for you because it is actually a real song.
It really is. It's a great song.
Can't remember.
I don't know, but it's at lots of weddings too.
That's right. I know. I played it at my wedding.
I think I did too. I know I did actually. Yeah. So it is Sports Day. It was great. Thank you for sending in those pictures. We love all the support from all of you guys, and we love having these Spirit Days. But today we have
announcements.
A couple announcements. You want to start, Miss Martha? Wait, let's start with the serious stuff, and then we'll get to our surprise. So let's go with Miss Martha.
Yes, I think even though it's serious, it's actually a fun serious. It's honoring our students for Student of the Month. So if you remember, we are going back to pride in ourselves and our school. That's right. Pride in yourself and your school. So with all of the changes that have been going on with schedules and some students returning and when you're coming back, and I know all the teachers for the most part have changed their schedule in one way or another. So there's lots of change going on. So having pride and perseverance and pushing through, that's definitely, I think, very timely for this month. So we will be honoring students at the end of the month for pride in yourself and your school. Very Beardsley, because we are Ohana, one big family. So keep in mind, we will be doing that at the end of the month. Also, we have some special testing coming up called the CASP or SBAC. It is our state testing that we take every spring. So we missed it so much last year that we're doing it this year. So if you are in 3rd grade all the way up to 8th grade, we will be getting and preparing for those tests. So whether you are on campus or you are at home, your teachers will be letting you know, and the families will be getting a letter in the mail just letting them know that our 3rd to 8th grade families, students, will be participating in our SBAC for the end of the year.
And we're going to stay positive. Some of you have already been doing a fabulous job with what we call our IABs. So I know in some of your classes now, little ones, you might not know what this is yet, but you're going to know soon because you will be a 3rd grader soon. But some of you have been practicing the IABs all the way through 8th grade, and we're just going to, no stress for this test.
That's right.
We got this, and we're just going to do our best.
That's right. That's right. Because we are pushing through, a lot of our students are pushing through the LPAC, and CASP is kind of set up similar, very similar, in fact, to how the CASP is administered. So if you are one of the students that I've tested for LPAC, it's very familiar to IAB. So it's just another thing to check off before the end of the year. Boop, boop.
And wow. I can't believe we're already April 16th. We're already in the middle of April.
We say that all the time, but it's going so fast. We only have May after this. Sorry.
Yes, we only have May. And then we only have June, and then we only have July. And then we're back in August. Woo! Wow. We have some busy months ahead of us, I tell you, but we're going to make it the best we possibly can, and we're going to stay positive, and we want to just cheer you guys up. So guess what we brought back today? Drum roll, please. Oaks.
You kind of like went out there right now. All I heard is oaks.
Oh, it rhymes with oaks, but the word was jokes. Oh, you went out too. You went, ah!
I think because sometimes we're so loud, our speakers go like this.
We're loud? Miss Mata and Miss Romero are loud?
Our speakers might think so. Our microphones, whatever those are in our computers. So we've got jokes.
We got jokes.
We got jokes today.
So are you ready? Do you want to go first?
You can go first.
Okay. I got some school related jokes.
All right, here we go.
Why was the broom late for school? Why was the broom late for school?
Because he was cleaning the house.
Good guess, but no. He overswept. Slept.
Oh, that's a funny one. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Boom. All right, I've got one now. Are you ready?
All right.
I don't know if they can handle this one. Here we go. Why did the pony get sent to his room?
He didn't do his homework.
That could be a reason, but I don't know if horses do homework.
Why did the pony, it's a pony though, not a horse.
Yeah.
Why did the pony, what was it again?
Why did the pony get sent to his room?
Because he wasn't good at the kid party.
True.
You know how they ride the ponies? No.
That's a good answer, but no. The pony got sent to his room because he wouldn't stop horsing around.
That's where you got horse from. That's funny. Do you guys know what horsing around means? Do your parents ever say that to you? Quit horsing around. I bet you some of them have never heard that. Maybe.
I don't know. Maybe not. I know.
Think about it. What do you think that means? Quit horsing around.
I think I heard somebody say it.
You're right. It means like quit playing around. I wonder why they say horsing.
I know.
Like
Do horses play around like that?
Nay, nay. I don't know, but my mom would say that when we were little. She would tell us, quit horsing around.
Yes, my mom too, actually.
So you could go home if you didn't know what that meant, and you could say to your joking, not serious, but say, quit horsing around. See what they say. I bet they know.
Probably.
Okay, I got a good one. What happened when the teacher tied all the kids' shoelaces together?
Miss Romero got mad at the teacher.
I know that wasn't very nice of the teacher, huh? I didn't get mad though. What happened when the teacher tied all the kids' shoelaces together? They had a class trip. Because they tripped because the teacher tied their shoelaces.
Oh boy.
I know.
That's kind of funny. All right, I've got one more. Why wouldn't the shrimp share his treasure?
The shrimp?
The shrimp.
Why didn't the shrimp share his treasure? Because he was greedy.
That's actually kind of close. Because he was a little shellfish. Shellfish.
Oh,
like shellfish, selfish.
Because he was a little shellfish.
And he is a little shellfish. That's what he's called. And he's selfish.
That was a tongue twister.
That was. It wouldn't come out of my mouth.
If you could say shellfish, selfish, selfish. Try to say that 4 times. Boys and girls, try to say that. Shellfish, selfish, shellfish, selfish, shellfish, selfish. That's hard.
That is. That's why I couldn't get it out. The joke got stuck.
Selfish. So that's tough. I bet they're all saying that. Okay, you guys, you can stop saying it. You can stop saying it. We get it. Okay. We hope you liked our jokes today because we wanted to bring a little laughter to all of your classrooms today because you have been working so hard. And man, Miss Martha, it was awesome last week seeing all the preschool students, the TK and the kinder. But this week, we got to see preschool, TK, kinder, first, and second graders.
It was really nice. I actually walked by one of the classrooms and I heard some giggling come out of a classroom. And I thought, oh, wow, I hadn't heard that in a long time on site. So yes, I agree. It was so great. And now we got, along with the kids, we welcome back to those teachers in first and second grade too. So that was awesome to see the staff.
And not only are those teachers back, we welcomed back this week our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade teachers because they're preparing. They prepared their rooms on Tuesday in the transition, and now they're teaching from their classrooms, getting ready for our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders to come back on Tuesday.
So exciting.
And the following week will be 6th, 7th, and 8th graders.
So exciting.
I'm so excited. Woo, woo. I just can't hide it. Woo, woo. We're teaching them some good songs. Well, boys and girls, we wanted to share jokes with you today. And we also wanted to share the serious news that we're going to have some state testing coming up. But you guys are going to do the best you can. You're going to try your best. You're going to do your best. And we all believe in you. And as Miss Mata said, those of you who've taken the LPAC, you know the drill. You could help your classmates.
That's right.
Yeah. So thank you all for your continued support, but it is time. Oh, I almost went out of order. To stretch. Reach for the ceiling. And touch your toes. And roll your shoulders back. And roll them forward. And arms out. And forward. And back. And roll your head. But don't roll it too fast or it might roll off.
Woo!
Okay. And march it out. And run. In place. In place. Come back. In place. Okay, good job. All right. Whew. Thought I was going to lose a few of you there.
They almost left the room.
I know. Okay, and take a big breath in. And out. And in. And out. All right. Are you guys ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Are you ready, Miss Mata?
I'm ready.
Okay. In 1, 2, 3. I can.
Wait, you tricked me again. We didn't do the. I was ready for that.
Okay, whoops. Okay, in 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2. Oh, wait.
Ready?
Wait, time out. Can we start over?
Okay.
Okay.
When are we starting over?
Okay.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. And okay.
It's definitely Friday, Miss Romero. Definitely Friday.
It's been a long week.
It's been busy for sure.
Yeah, okay. No wonder I kept saying, are you ready? Are you ready? Because I didn't see your posters and I just thought, okay, she's ready. I wasn't ready. Well, you guys got 4, so you should be ready for this in 1, 2, 3. I can and I will have pride in myself
in my school.
I can and I will
Have a positive attitude.
I can and I will make wise choices. I can and I will act safely. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Woo! Boys and girls, have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. We will see you all back at school on Monday virtually, and we will welcome back our hybrid students for 3rd through 5th on Tuesday.
Bye, everybody.